This is lesson 4, factoring greatest common factor. Now on this one, we want to factor the GCF and solve. Okay, at this point, we should hopefully be getting better at factoring the GCF. So on this one, I want to try to divide out 6 because that would be the greatest thing I could divide out of these. So I've got 6x and 18. And I'm going to divide both of those by 6. Well, I know that x times 6 gives me 6x, and I know that 3 times 6 gives me 18. So my factored form is 6x plus 3 equals 0. Now, I would use the zero product property, but that 6 equals 0 is not going to do anything. So I'm just going to solve it. I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Get that to cancel. So x plus 3 equals 0, right? 0 divided by 6. And then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So x equals negative 3. So negative 3 is my solution. This was not even a quadratic equation. But this one is, if we want to find the roots, zeros, x-intercepts, solutions, whatever, I'm going to factor the GCF. So I've got 9x squared minus 6x. Well, I can divide 3 out of both of those. I also can divide an x out of both of those. Okay, that's my GCF. So what I get is 3x times 3x, and let's see, 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared, so that works. Then over here, I can multiply this by negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and it's negative 2 times 3x, so it's negative 6x. So my factored form is 3x times 3x minus 2. Now I'm going to use my zero product property and solve it. I'm going to say 3x equals 0, and I'll go ahead and solve that real quick. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 0, and then I'm going to say 3x minus 2 equals 0, and I'll solve it. Plus 2 on both sides. 3x equals 2. Divide by 3 on both sides. X equals 2/3. So my set of solutions is 0 and 2/3 with my curly braces, because it's a set of solutions. This set of solutions only had one, probably didn't really need the curly braces.